We're Duckling Team.
Duckling Team. Duck.
Team. Pretty much we're gonna catch some ducklings and this
I already tried. It's hard.
It's hard. She got some.
Why are you throwing your flip-flops to them, Lily? What if your flip-flops fall?
You're gonna go in again. I'm gonna go in.
She's gonna fall in. Watch. Oh yeah, it's gonna fall in.
You're right. Harry's gonna fall in.
Sugar.
But it's worth it.
I just watched it to me anyways.
Hold it for the camera.
Quickly! I want to touch it!
We're Duckling Team.